Hi everyone, my name is Saravanan Dhandapani and welcome to my course on securing data analytics pipelines on AWS. I'm an architect working in the travel domain focused on middleware and cloud technologies. As you are getting ready to take the AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty exam, this course focuses on the security domain of the exam. In this course, you will start looking at how AWS authenticates and authorizes individuals using IAM. You will get a thorough understanding of IAM users, groups, roles, and policies. You will learn about different encryption strategies provided by AWS in the form of AWS KMS and Cloud HSM, and how AWS uses these strategies in protecting data in core AWS storage services. And finally, you will learn about services like AWS Config, CloudTrail, and CloudWatch that help in applying data governance and compliance controls. By the end of this course, you will get a thorough understanding of securing and protecting the data both at rest and in transit, leveraging some of the core AWS services. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn how to protect and secure the data in my course, Securing Data Analytics Pipelines on AWS at Pluralsight.